In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to enhance your video editing projects. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing tool that offers a range of features to help create engaging and dynamic content, perfect for social media, personal projects, or even professional presentations. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by loading your audio file into the timeline. This step is essential as it sets the foundation for your video editing. Once CapCut is open, simply drag your audio file into the timeline, ensuring that it is properly aligned at the starting point. If you're still getting familiar with the layout, keep in mind that the timeline is your main workspace where you'll see your audio waveforms and be able to cut, trim, and arrange your files as needed. With your audio in place, it's time to use CapCut's Auto Beat feature. Auto Beat is an excellent tool designed to help you automatically generate beat markers along your audio. These beat markers are especially useful if you plan to sync your visuals with the music or audio cues. To activate Auto Beat, look for the Auto Beat button within the toolbar. You'll find it towards the top of the editor interface. Once you click it, CapCut will analyze your audio and place markers at significant beats. These markers will be visual guides placed directly on your timeline, making it easier to synchronize other elements in your project with the audio. Now, let's add some text or graphic elements to enhance your video. This might include titles, lower thirds, or even animated graphics depending on what you're aiming to achieve. Above the timeline, you'll find various options including text and graphics, which you can drag and drop onto your project. Be creative here. Choose fonts and colors that complement your video's theme and content. For instance, if you're creating a video about summer vacations, you might opt for bright, bold colors that reflect a sun-kissed palette. Position these elements above the timeline so they're synced with the audio beat markers you created earlier. Once you've added those important visual details, it's crucial to preview your work to ensure that everything looks and sounds just the way you envision. The preview feature is straightforward. Press the play button to watch your video in action. Pay attention to how well the text and graphics sync with the beats and make any necessary adjustments. This could mean realigning elements slightly or tweaking the timing to achieve the desired effect. Remember, the goal is to ensure a seamless and cohesive result where visuals and audio work harmoniously. That's a wrap on using CapCut to enhance your video editing projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these features, the more creative you can get with your video edits. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to save your project regularly as you continue working on it. Happy editing!